Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new trade-in 2021 Mastercraft X26. This boat only has 135 hours on it, fresh 100-hour services just performed on it, comes with matching triple axle trailer, and does have a stern thruster. All right, so first thing everybody notices about an X26 when they get on board, it is a big boat. 26 foot, big ballast, big motor, nice stern thruster. Boat is optioned very, very well. This does have a power tower on board, was equipped with cockpit heaters, has the biggest stereo available from the factory, and I love this, this dune colored interior, done really, really well. Insert for your trash can, in-floor storage, room for a potty if you wanted to put one on board, would go down in here. Huge bow seating. One of the largest towboats on the market. So if you're looking for something that's yacht certified, seats a ton of people, throws a huge wave, this is probably the right boat for you. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. The only thing this one needs right now is a bath and a new owner.